Hey Riri, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm good. How are you? Oh, I know you're good because you're very fine in the video the Vogue just uploaded now. Yeah, seriously, I just sat down and I just recreated it. Oh, definitely. I'm definitely glowing. Like, my face is glowing, my shoulder is glowing. But girl, I did not use the body laver because I ain't got no money for that. So I just used your matchstick. And they're gonna love that. Yeah. And you know what? The other day, my girls and I went to the club or whatever, and the DJ was like playing one of your songs and we loved it. And we just kept saying, Mr. DJ, come on the replay. Literally. Yeah. And then unfortunately we had to leave early before the club finished or whatever. And then when we got outside, it started raining. Thank God we had our umbrellas. And because the song that was playing in the club was still in our mind, we just started singing under the umbrella. Ella, Ella, I know you get this all the time, but girl, all the songs you bring out, everything just keeps giving us wow, wow, wow. Literally. Yeah. Bye, girl. Why am I waving at you when you don't even see my face? Okay, I love you too. I'll see you soon on the yacht, okay? Bye-bye.
Pray for me. Pray I find my way.
Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Esther, MsTopacJay. Okay, if you're new to my channel and if this is your, what can I speak? And if this is your first time seeing my face, that means you're not subscribed. So to just fix that, just click the subscribe button down below. Turn it from red to gray. Thumbs up this video because I know you're gonna like it. Okay, and then share it with your friends, family, and or frenemies. All right, and just love yourself by doing those things. Okay. So in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, you're probably a little bit curious about the title of this video. I don't know if you are, but basically I was just scrolling through YouTube tonight as usual, and I found that Vogue actually uploaded this video about an hour or so ago. It's titled Rihanna's Epic 10-Minute Guide to Going Out Makeup. So Rihanna decided to come out here and show us, you know, how to, you know, tweak ourselves a bit before we go out and whatnot. Okay, you guys know, like, I'm in for what stuff like that. You know, I like challenge. I'm not saying this is gonna be a challenge, but I don't know. And I like Rihanna. I like celebrities, you know, but especially Rihanna. But anyway, I honestly can't really tell you the exact reason why I'm doing this video. But okay, no. Actually, no. I know why I'm doing it. I know when I was watching it, I said to myself, it would be really fun to recreate this, and perhaps with any products that I have in my collection. Yeah, so that's why I'm doing it. I just want to recreate Rihanna's 10-minute makeup, you know, for going out kind of makeup. And yeah, let's just get started. I've been rambling on too much and I am weird. Okay, let's just jump into it. Okay, let's jump into it. Okay, so I hope you can see me. And guys, as I was watching the video, your girl took notes. The minute the video started, I was like, hold on, pause it right now and go and get your pen. Got my pen, got my book. Yes. Hashtag Carpe Diem. Can you see that? We gotta seize the moment. So I'm not really gonna insert the video, you know, into this video, but if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna put a link down below. It's on Vogue's YouTube channel. Okay, and can I just say, Rihanna was glowing in this video. Like, girl, life is going pretty good on you. Like, the foundation she uses is a Fenty Beauty foundation, of course. That's her line. That's her baby. She has to. Unfortunately, I don't have the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I used to have the Fenty Beauty foundation. If you've watched a few of my videos, you know that I gave that away to my friend, mainly because number one, the shade wasn't really my shade. It was shade 420, and I did a foundation test on it. And number two, I don't really like it for my skin because I'm the kind of person that sweats on my face, so I need a foundation that stays put on my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Esther Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation, and this is in the shade 5C1 Rich Chestnut. Also, I noticed she did not mention priming whatsoever, so yeah, we're not gonna prime. It's fine. We're okay. It's fine. In the video, she used a Fenty Beauty sponge to apply the foundation. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this Real Technique sponge. That line brings back so many memories. Anyway, let's just move on. The fact that I'm not using primer is a bit weird. And when she's applying the foundation, she kind of does like swipe side. It was so cute. She does like swiping motion like this sometimes, and then she still dabs it in as well. And she's so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. Why not? I can't do the swiping, I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. Foundation is on. Now she went ahead and contoured her face, and while doing so, she gracefully acknowledged her 5 head. That's a woman, okay? That's a woman and a human acknowledging a 5 head. Love that, okay? So she used her Fenty Beauty matchstick. I can't say that properly, or like literally. Anyway, so she used her Fenty Beauty matchstick, and I believe she used the shade Mocha. I'm using the shade Espresso. She applied it on her 5 head. What have I got? A normal head, a 3 head, or a 4? I don't know. So she just applied it, you know, right here, just as usual, the areas where we generally apply contour products. And while doing so, she gracefully warned us not to apply contour the same way everyone else applies contour all over YouTube. She said, you know, to use it the way, you know, that's great for your face. I think that's what she said. Or am I just paraphrasing? Yeah, go and watch the video. While she was doing this, she mentioned that she hides a double chin as well. Girl, I do that too, see? I've already applied it on my chin. And she also mentioned the fact that, you know, she learned how to contour when she gained weight. Girl, you're out here wishing everyone like can gain weight, because weight on you looks... And then she used a brush to blend out the contour product. So I'm going to use this Engood brush right here, Engood Kabuki style brush, to blend it out. You know what I find interesting though? The fact that she didn't apply concealer. You know, why did I do that? The fact that she didn't apply concealer before putting contour product down. I find that interesting. Oh, what did I do? Hey, what did I do? I don't mess up. Look at me. See me, oh. See me, see trouble. Hold on. So this was the point where she applied concealer. She used the matchstick once again for concealer. I don't know what shade she used. Go and watch the video. So she just applied the concealer under her eye. I think she just did a one swipe. Oh, okay. All right. So she warms the concealer on the back of her hand first, and then she goes in to apply it. All right. That makes sense actually. Quick swipe under her eye like so. By the way, this is in the shade Suede, and this shade is not as bright as I would like it to be. So I might need to go in with another concealer shade that's a little bit lighter, but we're just gonna see. And then she goes ahead and blends it out with a tiny little beauty blender, but I'm gonna use this Real Technique face and body sponge. Okay, so I'm gonna mix mine because I'm not really looking awake, and it's a little bit patchy. What's going on today? I'm supposed to have a good face day today. We're supposed to show out, come out for Rihanna, you know, and now things are just not going well. Do you see this? So I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution Concealer and Defy Concealer in the shade C13 and C10. Okay, that's fine. So I'm gonna blend out the edges first, so that way like we have a nice natural edge. I think she blended the concealer up into a lid, so I'm just gonna do that as well, because that's what I usually do as well anyway, you know. Ooh, look at her awake. My eyes look. Okay, so she went ahead and used the Fenty Beauty powder, you know, that powder, you know, she called it mattifying powder or whatever. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this RCMNO color powder. I haven't used this for my face in a long time. I'm just gonna set my lid with it as well. I'm gonna keep dabbing it in until it's gone-ish. Okay, so I just realized she actually used the brush to apply the powder. Bad Esther, bad Esther. That's okay. And she put it on her brow bone mainly. I'm gonna put it on her eyes. I think she did her nose too, but we're just gonna do that anyway. All right, what's next, Riri? I think she then went ahead and used the bronzer, right?
Always on my first.
Okay, good. So she went ahead and applied bronzer in the areas where she contoured, as we usually do. You know, so right here. What's that? So I'm just gonna use this angle brush. Oh, it's gonna get colored. Going in with the CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronzer. Oh my lord, it's finishing. And then she went on over the side of her nose with it as well. All right, what's next, Riri? Tell us.
I am gonna use the same.
Okay, so she went ahead and did her brows, which she did like magic, as we all do. All of us who does video editing on YouTube, Instagram, or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that as well. So she applied the bronzer to a crease, which is good because I do that as well, to kind of give my eyes a natural, you know, crease color, which is, I really like that. Ooh, you see that? You see that crease color we got? So next she went ahead and did her eyelid, and for her eyelid she used the Fenty Beauty highlighting palette. The highlighting palette she used has like a gold color and a pinkish purple tone kind of color as well. I've never seen that before and I don't have that.
Please.
Okay, the one that I have is the Ginger Binge in Moscow Mule, and it's not really pinkish in color. It's more of a rose gold. Is this rose gold? Would you call this rose gold? Yeah, let's call it rose gold. Rose gold type of color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use a blush that's a pink shimmer, and that is the I Heart Makeup Blushing Hearts Triple Baked blusher. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this pink tone right here, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. That's what she did. See, our color is very, very, very similar. So that's good. That's all we need. Girl, can I tell you? This is pretty. Like, Rihanna is my type of girl, you know? Doing simple things. And I love that.
Love, drama,
oh! All right, so she also warmed up underneath her eyes as well, and I'm guessing she used the same bronzer she used to bronze up her face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my bronzer, which is the CoverGirl bronzer, and I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line. Okay, so for blush, she still went ahead and used the same pink shimmer type of highlighter, so I'm just gonna use this. There we go. Okay, so for highlight, she used the Fenty Beauty highlight as usual, and it looks like the one she used has kind of like a white base to it, and as I mentioned, this is the only highlight that I have. So I'm gonna mix it with this Makeup Academy shimmer highlighting powder in the shade Radiant Cashmere. And girl, she said sometimes she just goes ham on highlighter. I'm like, it's okay, you live your life, girl. That's fine, you know? Whoever has a problem with it can call your manager. And she says she lays the highlighter as well. I'm like, yeah, like literally she's just speaking my language. That's what we're doing. Yes. And she highlights her nose, the bridge of her nose. She also put it on her brow bone as well, so I'm gonna do that too, because I do this as well, you know. I feel like we all kind of do what Rihanna does, you know. We're all good people, but I'm mainly putting the Makeup Academy highlighter on my brow bone and my nose. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes as she did, and I'll be right back. All right, here we go. I've got lashes on, okay, and the lashes I have on are Dasa lashes in the style Luxe. I was gonna stack them, but I'm gonna keep it like this, and I also apply mascara on top of it just to kind of make it more black. So for lips, she applied kind of like a, I think she used an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, but all I know is it had like a gold specks to it, so I picked up the closest thing that I have. I mean, I have the Black Up lip gloss, which has gold specks to it as well, but this one is more on the bronze side. So I'm going in with the Remo London Apocalypse Lip Lacquer, lip lacquer, whatever, in the shade 701 Stargazer. So she didn't really line her lips in the video, but it looked like she did, but I don't know if she mentioned, I don't know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips anyway. I'm gonna use the Match Stick, you know, the contour shade to line my lips. I do this quite often. Girl, oh, we're looking good or whatever. I mean, look at it too. All right, here we go. Hair is down, but before we go, she went ahead and applied body lava on her shoulders, girl. But as you guys know, I don't have body lava, and I said as you guys know because I uploaded a video, like a DIY video on how to achieve a body lava effect by using your highlighter that you already own and whatnot. Okay, so that's what we're gonna end up doing in today's video. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a regular highlighter. Actually, let's try something else. Why not? I've got my shoulder ready to go. You see, we're ready to go. But yeah, let's try something else. Let's see if this is gonna work. I haven't tried this before. This is the Fenty Beauty Match Stick highlighter in the shade Cinnamon. It's like a rose gold color. I'm just gonna apply that all over my shoulders, girl, and then I'm gonna rub it in. Ugh, yes. Now let's rub it in. I mean, she used the kabuki brush, but we're gonna use our finger, girl. Ooh. Whoa. Woo! Look at us. We're glowing. Look at that from here, like that compared to this side. Look at that. Here we are, guys. We're all done. You know, we're glowing on the shoulders. We're glowing on the chest. Honestly, what I learned from recreating Rihanna's, 10 minutes makeup step is the fact that we're both similar in terms of makeup application, you know, especially like when you just want to like get ready in a hurry and whatnot. And I really like that, you know. It's good to know that celebrities are people too. Did you also find out the same thing? Did you find out that, you know, your technique is the same thing that Rihanna does as well? Does that make you feel a little bit special as well? Well, I hope you babes enjoyed this video, you know, for what it's worth. And I hope this video is kind of like brought you to the realization that you can still achieve the same kind of makeup that our favorite celebrities have, you know what I mean? On their faces and whatnot. Like, we can all look beautiful together because we're all human beings. We're all working from the same father, you know what I mean? This was fun. This was fun to follow and to recreate. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please let me know by commenting down below, and also give this video a thumbs up and share this video as well with anyone that you feel like need to see it, you know, with your friends, families, and or frenemies as well. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna go away now and go and call Rihanna because we need to talk, you know. We need to talk. We're very similar in our makeup, we're very similar in our age, we're very similar in our month. We're both Pisces girls. Like, okay, bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video as I said, and please follow me on Instagram. My name is MsTopacJay on Instagram. It's also MsTopacJay on Twitter as well. Follow me there because, so you know, I would really like you too. Okay, and as always, whatever you're doing to love yourself, and I'll see you babes in my very next video. Bye bye.
Oh, forgive me, Father, but I gotta take a chance. Oh, I'm